Here's what you need to do in order to pin something on Pinterest. So you're going to go up to this little plus sign and hit Create Pin. You're going to click on some kind of graphic, whatever graphic that you would like to put up there. And then add your title. So you can say travel accessories. You're going to tell the description of what it's all about. So travel and style. And there's some really great hashtags that you have in there, right? So make sure that you put your hashtags in there and add your destination link wherever you would like to link that to, directlysocial.com. You can publish immediately or at a later date, and you are going to, let me change this, and you can pick which board you would like that to go to, and then hit publish. Okay, so now you can create another pen or see it now.